This is why you need to join the TAT movement. Let's cut down on software lag together. The TAT movement, Technology Airtime, is all about eliminating unnecessary waiting times in software. Whether your app is waiting on you, or you're stuck waiting on it, TAT aims to put an end to lag. Here's the deal. Bloated software slows us all down. TAT is pushing developers to create leaner, faster, and more efficient applications. Think cleaner code, fewer delays, and a smoother user experience. Imagine your users not having to stare at loading screens or spinners. That's the power of TAT. So, if you want to make your software snappier and your users happier, it's time to embrace the TAT movement. Say goodbye to software lag and hello to efficiency. Join the TAT movement today, and let's make technology work faster for everyone. The core principles and goals of the TAT movement are centered around creating a more efficient and responsive digital environment. By focusing on reducing unnecessary delays and optimizing system performance, TAT aims to enhance user experience and productivity. It's all about making technology work smarter, not harder. Minimal technology. Airtime is a key aspect of the TAT movement. By cutting down on the time users spend waiting for software to respond, we can significantly improve overall efficiency. This approach not only benefits the end user, but also leads to more sustainable and eco-friendly technology usage. The central tenet of the TAT movement is reducing technology airtime. By minimizing the idle moments when software or users are left waiting, applications become more responsive and efficient. This is crucial for ensuring that digital interactions are smooth and seamless, making every second count. Streamlined software is another fundamental principle of the TAT movement. Eliminating superfluous background processes and redundant features allows developers to focus on essential functionalities. This not only speeds up operations but also conserves energy and system resources, leading to a more sustainable and efficient technological ecosystem. Many modern software programs are overburdened with features that contribute to unnecessary waiting periods. This bloat forces end users into inefficient workflows, prompting a demand for simpler, more intuitive applications. Many modern software programs are overburdened with features that contribute to unnecessary waiting periods. This bloat forces end users into inefficient workflows, prompting a demand for simpler, more intuitive applications. Leaner software translates into faster response times and reduced lag, ensuring that both the system and the user are not left waiting. Reducing technology airtime is in line with sustainable computing practices. By cutting down on energy-intensive processes, developers can help lower the carbon footprint of digital operations. Many advocates see the TAT movement as more than just a technical improvement. It's a higher calling. By creating software that minimizes idle time, developers are making a commitment to ethical practices that benefit both users and the environment. End user frustrations. Excessive waiting. Bloated applications often force users into prolonged wait times, whether it's waiting for software to load or for processes to complete. This inefficiency adds unnecessary steps to user workflows. A call for change. Frustrated end users are increasingly voicing their desire for more efficient software. What started as discussions on social media and in niche developer forums is now evolving into a broader, worldwide demand for change. Companies that adopt TAT principles can lower operational costs by reducing energy consumption and optimizing resource usage. In today's market, efficiency and responsiveness are key differentiators. Businesses that deliver software with minimal technology airtime stand to gain a competitive advantage by enhancing user satisfaction and loyalty. What began as a series of conversations on social media is now turning into a global call for action. End users tired of waiting on inefficient software are urging companies to transition the TAT movement from a niche discussion into a standard practice. The movement emphasizes that reducing the time technology spends waiting, whether on users or vice versa, is essential for a more efficient digital ecosystem. The TAT movement, centered on the concept of technology airtime, challenges developers to rethink modern software design. By defining technology airtime as the moments when technology waits on you or you wait on technology, the movement spotlights a critical inefficiency in today's digital landscape. By defining technology airtime as the moments when technology waits on you or you wait on technology, the movement spotlights a critical inefficiency in today's digital landscape. With growing support from end users and a shift from online chatter to a worldwide conversation, the TAT movement is poised to drive a significant transformation in how software is built, prioritizing efficiency, sustainability, and overall user satisfaction. To stay informed and learn more, make sure to watch videos from Francis Cash and visit tatmovement.com and technologyairtime.com. In closing, watch the next video as Ben Franklin steps out of the $100 bill and gives his message.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was some years ago, in the year 1748, that I said, "Time is money." A simple truth, one that has stood the test of centuries. But here we are, now in 2024, a world powered by wonders I could only dream of, computers, processors, and software that shape the very fabric of our daily lives. Yet my old maximum remains. Time, indeed, is still money, but today, time is something more. Time in this age of technology is the pulse that beats through every device we touch. And that brings me to why I stand before you today. The time I speak of now is what you, in this enlightened age, call technology airtime. The time a computer waits on a user, and the time a user waits on a machine. Those of you who craft the codes, build the engines of these machines, carry the greatest responsibility of our time. For in your hands lies the power to shape the experience of every person who interacts with this technology. Your goal, dear programmers, must be this: to craft software that is nimble, efficient, and a marvel of modern ingenuity. For every moment of delay, for every second a computer waits on the input or delays output, there is a cost, not just in productivity, but in human potential. And in this world, where information flies faster than the wind, we cannot afford to squander even a moment. It is time for you to harness the power of the latest advancements. The Qualcomm processors, the AI chipsets that now reside in the heart of our machines, these are your tools, your allies. They provide the power, the speed, and the intelligence to reduce both input and output airtime to levels once thought impossible. You must rise to the challenge. But efficiency is the new frontier. Write software that moves as swiftly as the mind that uses it. Build systems that waste not a second. Cut the technology airtime, and in doing so, you will elevate not just the machines, but the people who depend on them. The future of our civilization is bound to the efficiency of the technology we weld. Let no moment be lost to sluggish systems, for in this, as in all things, remember, time is still money, and in your code lies the currency of tomorrow. Now go forth and write the future. Thank you.